Hello, and today I will teach you how to heal your wounded zucchini. Take a look at the zucchini itself. You may think, oh, it looks fine, but no, it isn't. You can see there's damage here, right in this spot. This zucchini is indeed wounded. Now, this zucchini can be helped. This is not a fatal injury, unlike for this banana. The first thing you want to do is take a thermometer and check for its temperature. So while its temperature is being taken, you can go get yourself a lighter to sterilize the wound. Oh, first take the thermometer out. First. 52.9. Before we go any further, let's sterilize that wound. Ooh, there we go. Good. See? You just want to burn off all that evil bacteria festering on the zucchini. If the zucchini is having a difficult time about this, you can give it some pain relief pills. Make sure you get it in. And then after you've done everything, you can put a Band-Aid on or apply some form of numbing agent. But I just have a Band-Aid. So you open up your Band-Aid like so. You want to take off the paper bits like this. And then apply the Band-Aid to the wounded spot on the zucchini. There we go. In about 2 to 3 months, this zucchini will be completely recovered and in incredible shape. So, that's all the information I have on how to heal and nourish your zucchini. Come back next week and we may try our hand at reviving this banana.